All right, let's hit these proofs. Number one, you're trying to prove that these lines are parallel, got cut off. You're trying to prove M parallel to N. When you look at the given that angle 2 is congruent to angle 3, those are alternate interior angles. And when those are congruent, it means that lines are parallel. Now if I scroll down here, for number 2, we have a system of parallel lines here. I actually already know it's going to be 5 steps. And what we're going to do is we're going to tie anything over here to angle 1, or I can tie anything over here to angle 1, and then I connect either one of those pairs to angle 5. So there's a couple different directions you can go here. We have both our givens, and since line T was parallel to W, that means corresponding angles are congruent. So our reason here is when we have parallel lines, that corresponding angles are congruent. Same deal with 2 and 5. Since M was parallel to N, the angle that's corresponding to 2 would be angle 5. So same reason as 3, so that's what I'm going to write. And then angle 1 is congruent to angle 5. When 2 angles are congruent to the same angle, being that 1 and 5 are both congruent to angle 2, they're all congruent to each other. That's an example of the transitive property. For number 3, a little more involved. If C is the midpoint of BD, that makes BC congruent to CD. So if there's a midpoint, then it makes 2 congruent segments. AB is parallel to D. That was another given. So what that does is it gives me alternate interior angles that are congruent here. And it also gives me alternate interior angles over here. So if you look at those triangles, you have congruent triangles by angle, angle, side, and then any of the corresponding parts are congruent. In this case, segment AB and segment AD by CPCTC. That problem, you could have congruent triangles by angle, side, angle as well had you used vertical angles, but you don't have to. And then the last one, in the given here, when WS bisects angle TWP, that splits it into 2 congruent angles. So that would be angle 1 and 2. So here, if an angle is bisected, it is split into 2 congruent angles. Angle T is congruent to angle P, that's given. WS is congruent to WS, that's just a reflexive property. And then now we have congruent triangles by 2 angles and a non-included side. So then all the corresponding parts are congruent by CPCTC. Good luck on your final.